Buying Bitcoin is one of the easiest things as long as you're using a trusted platform. And today I'm going to show you how to do that on Bybit, the platform that I will only buy crypto on. I'm going to show you exactly how you buy Bitcoin in many different ways, whether you want to enter the market at the exact price, whether you want to dictate your own price, or you just want to buy Bitcoin and hold it and don't care about the price because you know that this digital gold future is Bitcoin. Okay, if you want to get involved with this, guys, the link down below to follow along. Please always be safe in the markets. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advice, do this for education purposes only. Let's see how you buy Bitcoin using Bybit. Right now, guys, if you deposit $100, you're going to get $20 for absolutely free, okay? That's a special reward you're getting as long as you hit that link down below and get involved. So if you want to get into Bitcoin and you don't know how much you want to buy, you're a bit worried, use the $20 for free after you deposit $100. Make sure you've KYC'd your account, and you can just see and ride it. That $20 will grow or go down, equaling Bitcoin's price. Again, you're going to get $20 as long as you deposit $100, your first deposit, and you KYC within the 7 days. So Bitcoin's role as the digital gold is very important, okay? And what you'll see on most charts, all right, is if BTC is going up, the rest of crypto will follow. Now, if BTC as well is going down, you will see most cryptos will follow that suit too. Now, it doesn't mean it'll go the same percent, but it does mean it will follow the run that Bitcoin is having. And that it's super important if you are trading crypto. Having Bitcoin is very important right now to have a slice of that digital future. And as you can see here, with the chart looking very bullish, crossing the 100K and being stable here, this is an important part of crypto in general. All right, so if you've been a Bitcoin holder for a while, you're going to understand this very well. If you're brand new to Bitcoin, doesn't mean that you've missed it. Okay, this is just this net stable structure for you to go until it hits that next all-time high. So I'm going to show you today how to actually buy Bitcoin using Bybit. All right, it's going to be very important that you do trade at your own risk. And I will only ever buy Bitcoin or trade or any other crypto on Bybit because it's the one that I trust, it's the one that I use the most, and it is trusted by thousands and thousands of people, hundreds of thousands of people worldwide. Okay, so guys, I'm going to show you exactly how you buy Bitcoin on here, okay? There is loads of different ways that you can actually get into the market on here. But going to buy crypto, you can see you've got the P2P trading, one-click buy, the fiat deposit, the convert, and the crypto deposit. The easiest and the most simple is the one-click buy. If you just want to get in here, you want to buy some of the token, you want to hold Bitcoin because you know that it's going to go high, or you're listening to what everyone's saying, okay, this is how you do it, the one-click buy. You'll simply come over here to the buy section. You'll choose how much you want to buy. And remember, this is a Bitcoin, so you're going to want to change this, okay, to whatever your currency is, and then the currency that you want to buy. So for example, I want to spend a certain amount of USD, and I want to buy Bitcoin with it. So I want to buy 30,000, okay, of Bitcoin. That is going to come to 0.2964217. Okay, now the next thing you're going to choose, and guys, you can do it the opposite way if you want. You can choose you want to buy 3 Bitcoin and it will show you that's 303,000. Now the balance, okay, this is where you're going to choose Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bank Card, MoonPay, Mercure, okay, or the balance that you already have in your Bybit. So for example, if we wanted to go with the Bybit balance and we had some in the fiat deposit, okay, you could just simply click deposit. If we wanted to go with Apple Pay, okay, you could set this up and you could buy with your USD. And you also have an auto invest feature. So on this auto invest, it's going to allow you to set up like a direct debit of what we call to enter the Bitcoin market at multiple different intervals. Okay, without having to think, oh, do I need to come on here? Do I need to buy? So you can choose Bitcoin. For example, you could buy 100 USDT worth, okay? And you could do it here and you could choose, do I want to do this every day, every week, every bi-weekly, monthly, or what date I want to do. So every Thursday, bi-weekly, I will choose and buy 100 USDT worth of Bitcoin, and it will slowly add up. This is a really unique way to get into the crypto markets without saying, let's put all my savings into it. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. Now, if you're a bit more into crypto and you're looking to get a little bit more out of crypto, okay, rather than just holding, you can come up here to the P2P. Now, this is going to allow you to get in when you want, at the price you want, and use the kind of trading features that you need to manipulate the price to benefit your portfolio. And what I mean is you don't just have to hold the token, all right? You're going a little bit deeper in here. Okay, what P2P do is it eliminates the middleman, all right? Allowing you to use local payment methods, okay, to get Bitcoin yourself. You can see here, there's a price from somebody on here. This is literally person to person, all right? You're going to see John Alexander, for example, that's the username. They're going to sell the Bitcoin Bitcoin or whatever the crypto is, 0.8 GBP, okay, available limits here. Revolut or Wise, these are local banks in our country, okay, and it'll say if you can do it. So here, Lloyds, Monzo, buy it here, and you can buy the crypto straight from the person here. This is good because you can start buying and selling at a price that you dictate, okay, and if somebody wants to do it, they can jump in and do it too. So it's really, really unique way to get yourself some Bitcoin. And that's why I love Bybit, guys, all right? It's a fantastic, fantastic platform. It's the most trusted in my eyes, and I wouldn't buy crypto anywhere else but here. So there you go, guys. If you want to get yourself some Bitcoin, make sure you are safe doing it, okay? If you want to watch this video again, please do. I also make many videos about Bybit because I absolutely love them. So if you want to go into different ways like copy trading, things like that, make sure you do. And guys, remember that reward, guys. If you deposit $100, you're going to get $20 given back to you, okay? As long as you've done your KYC and it's within 7 days, you'll get $20 for free. So feel free to just buy some Bitcoin with that and see what it does if you're brand new in the crypto space. Make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.